Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains two different stylized patterns. In the first part, you are going to get different type of stylized patterns of denim embroidery, embroidered jeans, embroidered pants, embroidered bottoms, embroidered capri trouser, and any different type of thing that could be worn up along with your shirts. And the second part contains very beautiful, elegant, and designer style pattern of elegantly designed denim embroidered shirts, jackets, and different stylized pattern that could be specifically used for denim embroidery. The basic content and the basic purpose of making video and sharing design and creativity with you is to share different ideas with the community of handwork and embroidery lovers. We never reclaim someone else's work as our own. And if you really like this video or if you are liking the design contents of our ideas, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. And in the comment section, leave below that which design you like the most and or what you want us to share with you in our more and new upcoming videos. And we have already shared millions of designs of handwork and embroidery onto our channel. Go explore those designs and ideas so that you could get all the amazing, beautiful, and trendy ideas that are specifically relevant to handwork and hand embroidery. And guys, simple and basic and easy beginner embroidery stitches have been used. And the more basic intent of this video is that you are getting pocket embroidery ideas as well at the same time, that how you can do the whole embroidery onto the shirt by simply following one concept, that is pocket embroidery. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon back in my channel with new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, guys.